How to use growth function to estimate growth in Excel. The growth function is a statistical tool that predicts business growth by analyzing past data. In this tutorial, we will use it to forecast revenue targets. But it's important to remember that while it can provide valuable insights, it is essential to consider competitive dynamics and economic conditions. As you analyze the table data which spans from 2020 to 2023, you'll notice the corresponding growth data. However, there is no data available for 2024. Therefore, it becomes imperative to forecast revenue for 2024. As for the visual projections, the chart indicates growth in 2021, followed by a decline in 2022, and then a rise in 2023. The outlook for 2024, however, remains uncertain. The growth function would assist us to forecast revenue for 2024. To estimate growth in Excel, follow these steps. Select the cell where you want to display the forecast. Type $, then type growth, and double-click on the function when it appears in the list. Select the known Y values, for instance, revenue or C4 is to C7, and the known X values, for instance, year or B4 is to B7. If you have any new X values, include them as well. Enter the constant cell reference, B8, and press enter to see the forecast. Excel simultaneously updates the charts for it to sync with the data on the table. Simply put, there would be growth in 2024. That's it. TechTricksGh. Don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more tutorials.